Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put text behind a person in CapCut. So first you need to import your video on CapCut, and after that just click on text and click add text and type in any text that you want. For example, I want to add this text and I'm going to change the size. Okay, like this, and then after that click on a check icon and match the text with the video like this, and then here click on the text again and find animations, go to in and choose fade in, this one's right here, and adjust the durations into your liking. I want to adjust it into like 1.8 seconds, and then go to out and adjust add a fade out effects, and I'm going to add like for also 1.8 seconds. Oops. This, and then click on a check icon, and here is the result. And after that just export this video, export it. Okay, so just wait, click on done, and then start a new project and choose this video that you export before, and then add overlay of the original video. So click on overlay, add overlay, and choose the original video which doesn't have text in it. So this one's right here, click on add, and then adjust the size until it fits to the screen like this, and then after that just still on the overlay, go to cut out and remove the background of the original video. Okay, it's still removing. Okay, now it's done, and your video will looks like this. So now the text is behind the person. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.